should I be making appointments, or again, what are your tips of how I should prepare strategically? Because it's 6,000 companies.
Yeah.
There's no way I'm doing that.
So if it's 6,000 companies, okay, there's a risk and reward to both. Should I prepare? Here is the reward. You might get some meetings booked. Here's the risk, and it's not just a risk, it's a complete certainty. The risk is in how bad this is going to be. People are going to ghost you. Nothing is more frustrating than flying all the way to Germany and you have 4 meetings set up on the events 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday. On Tuesday, you have 4 meetings set up and 3 of them ghost you. And then you're sitting around by the coffee bar waiting. So if it was me, I would not book anything. I would say, what's your mobile? I'll text you when I'm there and we'll see if we can find a time to get together. This allows me to be omnipresent. This allows me to then have a printed out sheet of everybody's mobile and work this thing like an NFL quarterback, right? Dave Gast is the first person I want to see. Hey Dave, it's Chris. I'm wearing a crazy jacket. I'm over by the Oppenheimer booth, right? Or whatever, right? Where can I meet you? And then I'm able to be flexible. If it's an event like this, I never really want to lock down my time, even at the risk of somebody ghosting me, of somebody not scheduling a meeting with me, because what ends up happening is when I schedule time, it's usually in a 30-minute block or an hour block, or worse, it's lunch or dinner or something, and then I'm flying all the way to Germany to only talk to a few people, and it would have been less money to just fly out and meet with those people. The other thing that I would like you to do, if possible, is reach out to the people hosting the event and reach out to them as if you were a client ready to do some business. Hey, I want to do some business while I'm out there. There's a number of things that I want to look at for both my company and my client's company. Can you help me with anything you can help me with in terms of booths, in terms of contacts, in terms of floor map? It would really help me get through this, right? You'll find that they'll be pretty helpful. They might give you some certain stuff. And then on the plane, kind of start mapping it out. On this day, I'm going to hit this quadrant. On this day, I'm going to hit this quadrant. And then have a list of everybody that you have phone numbers for. Instead of appointments, just say, I'll text you when I'm there. Because here's the thing. They hate it when a meeting's locked down because they're either tired or they're drunk or they want to get drunk. And if you're the one that said, hey, we'll meet at 3, that was really easy to do when I was back in Tampa, but now I'm in Germany and I'm, what do they call that? The flight thing, I got the time difference crap going on and my boss is yelling at me and then I'm like, oh, I got a 3 o'clock. Like they'll just want to cancel. So I would text everybody, hey, I'm here. I'm wearing a blue jacket with a tan sweater. I can be by your booth in 30 minutes. Does it make sense for us to get together? So do it that way. Wide and shallow versus locking down a few appointments with a few people, because the most appointments you can do in a day is 8. 6 of them are going to no-show on you. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you wanna double, triple, quadruple your closing right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm gonna cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.